Last week we started our Isuzu build, or what we like to call Jesuzu. Now this is a 1979 Isuzu that I picked up for a very cheap price, and I've been running it around Cape Town for quite a while. However, the gearbox gave up, and when we decided to do it, we decided to do the whole thing. I got a brilliant set of Black Rhino wheels from Black Rhino, and I decided that's the perfect wheels to go onto it. Now this is one of those projects where I wanted to go big. I wanted something completely different. I wanted to take this little bucky and make it into a big bucky. So we had one day to get this whole build sorted out. So we got the car in, got the wheels on, saw what our spacing issues were going to be, and did all our measurements. Then we cut the fenders to make all the spacing according to what we needed. I then got a great set of Jeep Wrangler fenders for bright glass that we put onto the car, and everything's ready. The car then got packed up, cleaned up, and on its way to Art Garage to a friend of mine, Tehran, to get the painting done.
Well, I met this girl and she left me for another guy. She left no reason and I'll never know why. But she was blonde and well, she's okay. But I'm still looking for another stray. I let her rip.
Okay, we're going to lay down the silver first. The silver will lighten up the green. There'll be a lighter bright base for the green to shine out. So that's our silver.
And I'm still looking for another stray. Let her rip. Come down and beat him up, bro. Well, I ain't got no time for you. You trying to chat me up?
Lay down a coat first. I think about 2 coats, 2.5 coats of green will do the trick.
Okay.
So let's add, the first coat will tell us how many more we need to add. Let's see the coverage of the silver.
I met the sweet thing, her name was Jill. She was a sweet thing, teeth as white as pearls, but she was blonde, well she's okay. And I'm still looking for another stray. Let her rip.
While we were waiting for Art Garage to get the body and stuff done and the paint done on the car, parts started arriving from the shop. A brand new gearbox from TCA Auto right from Joburg, along with the prop shaft, everything set up that is ready to just basically slide in. So now we've taken the 4-speed box, we've converted it to a 5-speed box. The seat also got wrapped up, packed in a truck, and it's on its way to Joburg for complete new upholstery. We even got a nice little photo to show what the embroidery on the seats is going to look like. Favorite part of the whole thing is our brand new set of 32 Yokohamas have just arrived from Yokohama. So now we have to get the tires on the rims, so as soon as that car gets back in, we can get everything back onto this car. Looks pretty! Will that fit there, Andre?
No, but we'll make it fit. Okay, so the idea is we're going to turbocharge it. And for turbocharging, you need an intercooler. So thanks to Flat4 Racing for supplying a brand new intercooler for us.
Do you want to go get our new hair dryer to see where we're going to stick that in?
Yes.
Thank you, Flat4.
Yeah.
That is our new goodies box we got from Flat4 Racing. Basically, they supply everything you need if you want to play with your car.
With a nice new hair dryer from TurboMaster. It's a little Garrett T28, just to make this thing breathe a little better. A whole box of goodies thanks to Flat4 Racing. But you know what they say? I live my life a quarter mile at a time. For that 1 minute and 43 seconds, I'm free.
Alright, where's the turbo gonna go?
The turbocharger, I'm going to make a manifold and I want to run it over here.
So we got enough space for all our pipes and stuff there?
Yes, this is a car that got built before electronics and ABS and ABD and ESP and alphabetical
HHD
and yeah, whatever. So there's basically a little fuse box there and a motor there. There's not much else to it, so we can run a turbo wherever.
Thank you to our friends from Yokohama. We've got a set of 265 7017s going onto this baby. Beautiful black rhinos. We're gonna have to make it fit.
I do see some clearance issues.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, I reckon a little bit of a lift, a little bit of cut and tuck.
Not much, eh?
Yeah,
just a little bit.
We ran the 4-speed box in here and that was trash because it broke with you on the way in here.
Yeah.
So this is the box from TCA Auto. This is a 5-speed 2.5 Isuzu gearbox. Dimensionally it's slightly longer, so we've got to watch out for the tail section on the cross member.
Okay.
And then the gear lever on the old box sits there. Now on our tunnel it drops down, so we might need to mod the tunnel a bit, put a little extension in the tunnel.
Well, I met this girl and she left me for another guy. She left no reason and I'll never know why. But she was blonde and well, she's okay.
I'll run it over.
For another stray, I let her rip. Went to a downtown Mexican bar on the lake, and she's a sweet thing, but things wouldn't get in very far. Well, she was a blondie, but she's okay, and I'm still looking for another stray. Let her rip. Come down and beat 'em up.
It goes there.
But you matched up the little holes.
Yes, I've matched up the holes.
You trying to chat me up? No, I was trying to say, let her rip.
Well, it looks like we've got the last of our parts, thanks to the guys from Midas. Pretty helpful. Normally what we just do is take all your parts, everything, brake shoes, discs, whatever you need, take it there, they match it up and we see what fits. It's a lot of old models that actually use the same parts, so you never know, you might get lucky. I mean, we did. Come on, get in there. Now we can finally finish this thing. Oh, dude, this is insane. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Now, this was done by a friend of mine in Joburg called Andrew's Upholstery. It's a new business, and what a great job. Once the diff is in place, then we just have to make sure, because we've got obstruction over there for the prop shaft. Prop shaft's leaning against that cross member over there. So it means more grinding and cutting. Cool. Alright, so U-bolt. Oh! Wow. Those were wrong. Shocks front, no. Shock brake, rear, that's done. Master cylinder, no. Custom shackle, no. Wheel spaces, no. Got the mirrors, arches row, busy with that. Body, front end, that's done. Rear light, no. Hood lining, no. Windscreen, no. Seats, Monday. Seats are here. Body bolts, no. Front two, no. Positive, no. Seatbelt, no. Kick, no. Rubber mat, no. All body up, no. Mirrors, no. No, 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 no. Ah. That sucks. Right, let's continue.
At least when's Will coming to make coffee?
Hey?
When's Will coming to make coffee?
When his wife stops popping up twins. Which is apparently happening today. So congratulations to Will if everything's went well and we show it did. All our blessings and happiness.